Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make those beautiful fascinator headpiece that is showing on your screen right now. Especially if you're a beginner, do not miss this video. Make sure you watch from the beginning till the end. So the materials you need your straw, okay, your straw base, yeah, you need your feathers, and then you need your tape to take your measurements, you need your scissors, and you need your matching color of thread and needle. I have this other small strip that measures 8 inches, yes, and then the measurement of this base, this round base of my straw, is the width is 3.5 inches. Okay, now if you do not know how I got this straw, because you won't see it in the market this way, you should watch the video and click on the link that is showing on your screen right now to watch the video on how to achieve that. Okay, then in this case I'm using my fishing line, and then you also need your Alice band. I'm using the small size Alice band in this case. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and then if this is your second time, third time, whichever time of coming back, I want to say welcome. Also, thank you so much for coming back. Please keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing I'm going to do here now is just to do my running stitches around my straw base. Okay, you should know how to do your running stitches by now if you have been watching my videos on my channel. So I'll do this just the way I'm showing you now, just like so. I'll do my running stitches around this straw base, and it will give us a particular shape. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, why have you not yet subscribed? Don't miss out. Don't miss out. When you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you whenever I drop my weekly DIY videos. Okay, so right now I'm just continuing with my running stitches around my straw base. this point, after going around my straw base, I'll just cut off the excess thread and tie. Next thing I'll do here is to start embellishing with my feathers and the other strip that is 8 inches, the straw strip. Okay, so watch how I'm going to achieve this. point, I'm trying to ensure that every of my embellishments, the one I formed with the straw strip and then my feathers, that they are properly attached on my base, the straw base. Yeah, my straw base. And then of course my Alice band. Okay. Feel free to also add your glue, to your feather before attaching, so that it will be very, very firm.